Princess Pearla wakes to hear the banging of a shutter. When she looks outside, she sees the castle's flags aflutter. She says, "I can feel the cool air." She smiles as the wind blows through her hair. Pearla walks Rover and the wind shakes the trees. She watches all the cherry blossoms drifting in the breeze. She walks to the windmill where the sails go around and dandelion's fluffy seeds all float along the ground. She happily looks at the boats. Rover does too. They enjoy the blue sea. Oh, what a view! With all this special power that the windy weather brings, I think I'll get my giant kite, the one with double strings. Pearla flies the giant kite. The wind is just so strong. She tugs and pulls the strings. I can't hold on for long. Luckily, the little prince is there to help her, and that's how they both have fun together. Princess Pearla and the Storm. Pearla sees the storm clouds as they roll across the sky. They're dark and rumbling. A thunderstorm! Oh my! Rover runs indoors and quickly hides beneath a chair. It's only noisy weather. She strokes his ears. There. Pearla loves a thunderstorm. She doesn't find it frightening. In fact, she's at the window and she's waiting for the lightning. Come out, Rover, says the prince. Look at the storm. But Rover prefers to stay inside where it is warm. Rover stays beneath the chair as the rumbling gets closer and a tension fills the air. Pearla goes to the balcony feeling brave. She remembers the queen's instructions. Stay indoors and please behave. Then she hears a rumble from the cloud. It sounds like a crowd cheering aloud. Pearla comes back to Rover. Wish you saw it too, but now I'll just stay here with you.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, bell icon and subscribe please.